But together we came in BBT from overseas tuning in this morning to all our visitors from overseas who are tuning in as well from all the hotels in the western side of the country. Yatu Malolo, yatu Samalabalabu, na yatu Mamanuda. Ni Andra Matavina, them Sarvanak Elano.
Yanavaka, Kede, Navekano, Ninto, my Nikua, a Bayarden and Lomriki and Lesu Lesu. I'm going a Lindingo, Kerina Lindi, and the Veusang on a political of Mataka. Mataniquesa, Samson to my. But again, I'm going to pull in Winnebuka Secondary, Winnebuka Primary, I'm going to pull the Sotoka Primary School, and I'm going to pull in my Nayala High School. Malambi. Yo, I'm going to pull in my Malambi to tell a carrier and a Veusa Beira. Yamaka, I saw the latter carrier, San Antonio Sarana Lisulesu.
Oh, right.
Nilisulesu.
Right. And to all the LC drivers who are tuning this morning and the students. Borong bulmay pag hindi na rongonen tambo pinakluman kerya ako nang gito and bugun ni badal karuniado
right
kaya tabi tumutumbo and namatag ko to all the parents who are tuning this morning enjoying the breakfast pag hindi na kan weekend ni and anon tango na poro tengo
lomani KD 148 ve bentari kernali pasindia wangol tu may lokia kisuba pambimbi berto na matay lolongo ne William Tuikoro vanu ni bilaka budi bengara ke kemuni no kanda LT 120 by Dubs tading gumbula binaka lomatangan ni ben ne tabale rota may sai may tonia kena bubalele budi bengara bene betolingo ni sala be kemuni na kanan raiba oni be semati bole mengona VT FM
text lole na lomani loda sama bolta kamay na matabana ni ko na bukuni kerte buta gitu datalang karabitabi pati kay Mr. Netherlebu my Brisbane and bisa mati boleh tu kan and rongobina kan di VT FM
the farmers in the village and bukuni be tokan na matadi kuwa kakir weekend na takata tu be bali bola we will find ourselves deep in the trenches again today and mati di sing first day of the week and bukuni karabitabi kata okay to na rewind back nga boleh lah na bukun nonton talk siya ganang uno sa otsi and tako say with why
right
before we cross the river we want to cross to Israel Israel asali esa Tambuarua from Ain Habasor baka bisa kita katunggo may Israeli
baby
Tambusor
may Ain Habasor.
Tambusor ko rin na bere. Dano na may namatay to Israel. Di tagi di bongga chilo bikim do. Nonton ko portengo. Na broken na English nga. Kaya namatay di ko. The message was talking about like coming to in the morning.
Right.
Due to different types of road that we trod every day.
Yes.
And bukod ning karapit patatak. So puto man bili so tako sumay. So rangalumay raga may besaw itay.
Right.
May nakoro, tukuno ko tiptoe, mo takos ito mo tiptoe. How do you do that?
Okay, before now, the
fascinating,
the RSL, the LC is going now.
Right.
In the village. During our time of schooling, from primary school, we, especially this kind of weather, we cross 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 rivers.
4 rivers.
Hey, you true alay.
Tutus.
Okay.
Sajina.
Yeah, the fourth one no kwa baka me way mada.
Right.
When the rainy nga kwa ngitawa nangon nga utikina maindal mada. Yeah, so from that time, but the big river is the one close to the village, the main river.
Yes.
Close to the ocean too.
Yeah, close. It's like the Lea.
Yeah.
From Veitirtiri,
right.
Sangkai Waibelaroi, Veitirtiri, Bentong Lebu, Lombo.
Right.
Usinikila na dabna kena bambau, dadan kena minandandala.
Right.
Nandandala hotel Lombo yani
sangkai Nuku. It's okay.
Nuku, sangkai Ndebo, sangkai pasiani bayan na Nukurama.
Right.
Vevutia. Sangkai adenia melem batilili yang mutundrom sangkai lakukan natoma.
Batilili ndodomo.
Yeah.
So that is how you travel in the morning when you go to school?
We're not traveling through the lakes. I'm explain because this one
yeah. River bank down.
River bank down metin lang golimodi. So from there, we sometime when mostly we walk on the crosscut.
Right.
So from the crosscut like 35 to 40 minutes walk. Every morning like that. So some people, depending on the parents, some parents they always wake up in the morning.
Yeah.
It's like those students. It's like our clock. Because we already know they will be the one who will be morning.
Right. Early morning. Right.
Early morning they will leave. 6 o'clock they will leave.
Right.
Even though the weather is dark, they will leave at the same time. Especially Tabale Selala and Melania Kasi.
Okay.
On Emery, on Emery always 4 a.m.
Yeah.
Sometimes you don't have matches.
Yeah.
Right.
You just go to Emery.
Lubi.
Mulai komen.
Yeah.
You carry the Ganimbulu.
Right.
Nakali you carry the
On the
Ganimbulu.
firewood. Bele lubi mai, yeah?
Iyo, may komen na ngilo iso. Then
Yeah.
put into the sanga iyo may pawaga.
Right.
So that he sees is the one who will be the first one.
Okay.
Every time. So from there we cross cut.
Right.
The first river you have to cross is the river from the village, close to the village.
Iya.
So that river, it's a mixed river, Wajilaroi. So the
Mixed vegetable.
the water from the sea will coming up in the Wolebu.
Yeah.
That's where it's me uaba, the
Yeah.
nama dikaya me uaba as a Wolebu Sibia.
Right.
Kordo kamakin na kuka everything So you will cross that one. You will cross the level of water is increased.
Iya.
Oi.
So you will cross is pasioni. Kami it depends on the with size you have. Nakimbalabu Nabataw nakimbalabu. O leka si
Talking
umbalabu.
about the size, this one got a big size.
You will titenge.
Okay.
If you want to pass,
Yeah.
if you don't want to wet,
Right.
you have to high heels.
Right.
Eko mo titenge.
Tiptoe.
Iyo,
Yeah.
tiptoe.
Yeah.
Titenge, and you choose which stone to step on.
Right.
Okay.
So that means when you tiptoe, where does the water
Level.
level?
Velutuki,
Oi,
Ali mo
okay.
Velutuki.
Right.
One in front, Saraya.
Yeah.
You, another one at the back. If no, the one beside you will carry wave.
Right.
And napakabu na napapaliniway na late sa nakin because you don't want to lose
But where is the
Yeah,
level? The level. You
the
have to-
level. Kila na ngono santo tabi kanta kina samboil siya mabona yabamu.
Iyo?
Yeah.
Sangka ito tukun yo. Emosi ko na sangangungo.
Girmo.
Mongiri mo.
Right.
Ento emosi?
Yeah.
That's where the level of water coming up.
Oh my
Sangka
God.
sanga.
Yeah.
Imagine if you had closest kaki,
Right.
Yeah.
kung mo sangkay sanga mo titenge.
Yeah.
And you
Pull it up.
ina mo ndetalake.
Right.
So you don't want to wear because you are going to school. You'll wear your suai. You'll wear suai. We have a house there, a kitchen, nabalikuro. You go and change there before you going out.
Nakasando na kamo ko sando bola kami lomonton because they know at the back of their mind,
Yeah.
they know the spot where the stone is to step on.
Okay.
But sabi siya kan isar kalay isar ready
Dina, yeah.
Step here o cha 2 minutes go, step talba go.
Right.
So no step muri then move forward. But ir pa muri sila ka.
Yeah.
Yo ka dole bele na ngolo sando ya na buno titek sali ato me pa na ilalim torses
Yeah.
Na ilalim torses di sili na naway. Sa kindo kera talo ka dono kon bibi me pa may taki.
Wah, may taka pe round.
Ato pa rin tiptoe.
And imagine that kind of water.
Right.
You got some cell. Kung baka natal baka may nakandundu.
Yeah.
Nakandundu isa la kana sidi.
Yeah.
O kaya baka ilaw ng takuna.
Right.
Right.
Iya, may sango na ni kandundu.
Yeah.
Oh, adi. First of all, sang ganda umbole may so natura kami na koro.
Yeah.
Meron kayo daw may baba kay mami.
Right.
Oh.
Dina
May
sa.
kay mami kaya baka siya ng boto sa
Yeah.
bili.
Dina.
May baba kay mami uti sa uti bakando nang ngone then they go back.
Yes, most of our listeners will relate to
Yeah.
this story. And ang sir kala kina may dapat sige nang ngongo. Bina malam sa dems bo mabo nasangam to nang na bugo ni.
Ele mabuang anak ako ni Bondos. Alin ka kusyon ako ni Bondos.
Eso era sabe tocar ngayon naman raisuay
Yeah.
Abay tayo galibisaw.
Iya, ndala ka buli ndala ka ba buli
Isa.
rame ka kunin daw gamutan na osi.
Iya.
Mo
Right.
Uni Bondos
Yeah.
Napaka buna kaya kasama tao set kaya kayo ko na lenga.
Prati muri.
Ha?
Ray muri.
Karay mo rin men tatenga.
Experience ng mga kararaw.
Bina sa. Mo di bina kami na ngoni buli
All the best.
tumu ndo be susu.
Iya.
Iya, mo di bina kan sige ni kwa. Isa.
Yan naman na ka, Laisa naman na ka, Laisa Magun. Mara mataong ko, mara maningaw.
Ano ba matakal?
Rangone.
Ni kenda rube wakani saranga. Ena matay ningaw na. Tama lang kumako. Yan naman na ka.
Sabi na wali Sara this morning.
Jangan prasad, yan naman na ka. Ulay, yan naman na ka. Mana Island Resort.
Iyo.
Daw yan rabi naka. Nakalalingan ni Begarabi.
But so muna, iko bakilan na suswa. Ni sa lo kurbulay na mo. Yeah. Do nakadren re, usa tira suswa menda bullying ay.
Vitale mi sosua na motona.
Iyo.
Mi kuanga ni sosua na wa. Kona wa mi sosua to ko ni sule.
Iyo.
Balito kuanga na sosua na wa, kwa do na musilikete.
Iyo.
Sini ba na musilikete ka sosua mi motona.
Iyo.
So from there you go to school Lebisau.
Iya, right.
Sa Lebisau, sangkay to mo uniform, lirtu may palukur na romino kuya.
Right.
Mutu ada kelebu.
Dan nakana matagal lay ko na ka bisa suka na bully.
Sa mama.
All right.
Ko menakoro ka kuka.
Iya.
Nakuka kaya mi kau kakanan dinayani.
Right.
O kuka na itabi
Iya.
ka na idoy.
Okay. So no problem. All right.
Kau tapioka ko nilikan niya tapioka ko kaundalan ko nilikan niya nandaro.
Iya.
Kaya ba kay lebu nandaro na musu-musu kenda wasikin.
Right. All right, pano naka na buri beto kali tumu-tumu na susungon ni bully. Na meron nakadakir matagal kuwa bikim na sabi sa mga koron daw titay daw gol